Bros, well done. So, my sister be this.
Good afternoon.
Elizabeth.
That kind of name you go to that place. My girlfriend come, he tell me everything. I won't even come out now. I'm not saying
Thank you.
Elizabeth, you don't ready for the wakabi? Stand up, they can see you. Tom. Elizabeth will go, now your sister.
Now me just senior her. Na my immediate younger sister. The one with senior me, they village. Boy senior me. She be our only sister. My papa married 3 guys. So anything guy, everything guy, mama will suffer for village. Now me can't come me. So me and my brother will come plans in New York and go that. My papa mama no know. One make she go, she that I should call the cause of crime.
Elizabeth, a better brother you get to. Better brother. Thank God say you cannot come out for village. Because village boys we go give girl 100 naira. They go press 1,000 naira. Come off for life. Eh? Then a better thing that you do. We will continue with my girlfriend there. We don't talk. Now 500,000 naira. That will take carry her. Go. Not everything. But you will pay 30,000 euro.
Brother.
For my girlfriend. No, if you don't say you know do okay by that 30,000 euro, no problem. If not flight now 50,000 euro.
No worry, we like this land though.
So now your choice. So and my own commission. My own commission, you know, na just no money, 5,000 euro. Just 5,000 euro. So if you can calculate 30,000 euro and 5,000 euro, you could be just 35,000 euro. Very small.
That's 35.
Everything could be you get brain. Everything could be 35,000 euro. So now and all that thing you can camp for Lagos. Camping for Lagos are just a week. So now 6 boys they there. 6 boys they there. Those 6 boys now for them to know whether you get the agility, you get the ability, you get the moral, you get the stamina, you get the to take deliver for them. Now 6, not the 6. So they will test on you now just a week. You understand? After that one, you pass on. You see this leg? Now 45. Now they use. You the good better designer shoe. They come for me. See, I be designer man. I be designer guy. And every year, you the big bag of rice. Big one, not the small one. With chicken. Chicken, we no fit waka. You go swell. The swear. Reason why we say we go swell now, may not be like say you can't reach there, you can't go the shake head, you can't go the and the swear no be say much thing they will be say you will do like that. Now just when they your armpit, you bring up your eyebrow, your eyelashes. Not be the fake one at the face, the original one. You bring up. Hey, wait there, yeah. You crack on. You bring up. In fact, your saliva, all those boys, don't worry. In the case you know your saliva, nothing come out of the will kiss her. You bring her, come out. You bring her. What time we day your breast? What time we day your breast? You meet. You see big gun.
Bros, my breast never dey leak. I never happen.
But I tell you, say you go Lagos, go camp. I just see boys, they'll bring me come out. So, so we go. Now we will take do this way. We create the heavy there. We use that thing. So and as the sweat don't take 3 hours. Let's be 3 hours. Just to say you don't go fuck up, because if you fuck up, you can mad. You can die. In fact, Ogun dede. Ogun will just kill you. No problem.
Brother, me it is doing it now. I'm not gonna fit at all.
Why? See?
Huh?
Well, worry. Brosso. Well done.
Welcome.
No worry. You say 35,000 euros.
Just 35,000 euro.
And now 500,000 naira. Now I want to can reach abroad. But you go copy
500,000 naira and I want to carry on.
Then you go copy 35,000 euro.
For me, 30,000 for there.
Okay.
30,000 euro for there. 5,000 naira euro for me. Maybe 30.
She go pay 55,000 euro. 55. Yes, we be good people.
Brother, but we are now.
What worry? You say the first 6 boys.
Just 6 boys.
Now the Lagos we want to
16 boys. Just 16 boys.
Okay. You had 6. You had 6 join. As in you put 4 from Lagos to make a 10. You go join. Then add one of your friends for Benin. Go Lagos. Go to Esrona. Then you say the shoe. Size 45. Now you go they bring for you.
Yes.
You go they show they bring golden shoe for you.
Touch shoot.
Size 45. I go sing that for a year. If I record that for earphone.
They give her.
Plan they go say I go take it.
You're a better person.
She go they put gold chain, join the gold shoe. Then she go you say rice. You go they bring rice every week and chicken. Even cows. You go they put cow they join.
You know, you should say your the rest sisters need to go.
Then he go. All the girls on our street, they go pass through me, come pass through me. In fact, bros, what do you not know so? This thing we want for my sister, so it too good. She go buy you car. She go buy you car. But that's where when you say she go swear, she go cut her leg, cut her body, even pour her blood. They go put that water when they say eye. She go put joy. This way. When you say she go put from body, it never reach. She go put hair from inside nose joy.
Brother.
Wow. This Europe, and then Europe, you know, in fact, she go buy car give you. They build you 2 flats.
Jesus. Brother, you're a comedian.
Now you start this comedy.
Brother, you the joke.
Now you start this joke.
Yes.
Now
you go mad. Idiot. Now you go mad.
You say my son go do test running. You be soup when you test run? You be soup?
No.
You say don't test my sister. My sister na soup. Say go bring sugar for you. We never give us shoe. He never buy rice for family. Go they buy bag of rice and chicken for you.
Men.
Why who? Why worry? You go carry people wey no go pay you. In fact,
I say on the car that time, your girlfriend go die. The people no go pay.
Police go arrest your girlfriend. Obalegbe go arrest your girlfriend for that Europe. Don't deport her.
She go even mad come.
She go mad come. Now so now they top people I come up for their family. Una go come they use the SS.
If they don't reach that side.
Yes, they go pay money. They not go rest.
They not even remember their family.
Person wey use body, they also 35,000 euro. Which body go get again?
Then my womb go call a leak. I when they use pampers. Now you go kill you.
He go kill her. Person wey use body also 35,000 euro. Why body want me? Una don't spoil her. If they don't spoil her, who go repair her? Girl wey use body they also 35,000 euro. No wonder all these girls don't come for Europe. Don't they say everywhere is hot.
Why body not go hot?
Why their body not hot? Person wey use body they also 35,000. Why e no go hot?
Why not go hot? Now go kill you.
Now go kill you.
Your sister go mad.
Your girlfriend go mad joy. What bell? See, my sister, we'll make her for this country.
Yes.
We'll make her. People don't make her for this country.
Many.
We'll make her. See, you don't let tell on her. You will let the tailor finish. You make casual. Now this country for do tailor. You blow. Abu fashion. Now this country for do tailor. You blow. Say David for say Savior. Now this country you blow. You blow. Yes. Now here they blow.
Okay, you know that one. You know that one. Now you kill yourself. Come up for video.
Shut up, no Tabaka, now here he blow. Captiosa, he blow for Nigeria. All of them.
And now they go.
Now here they for blow. We go see blow. We'll blow. Oh, when you blow for Nigeria.
Me na dey go.
Ebe me aya.
Aya me get there. Yapa. Don't go. Somebody can marry you. Oh, ayala la bue. You marry by la bue.
Iwe the fear me.
Yeah. What? You know for bue.
Let me out now, babe.